So let's continue solving the MEXT exam 2013 Math B, okay? Question 1.3. So you have an analytic geometry question. Three lines that are going to intersect in the same point. You have this line. I'm going to write the same three lines that he's telling you. You need to see that there is a comma between each line, okay? So the first is x plus 2 epsilon minus 1 is equal to 0. So I'm going to write it, but letting epsilon alone in one side. So epsilon is equal to minus x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay? I just isolated epsilon in one side. So this is our first one. This is our first. Our second one, now this is just telling us epsilon by isolating epsilon. Like, just put epsilon on the other side, you'll have that epsilon is equal to x plus 2 plus 2. This is our second. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is our second one. So our third one, and this is the question, so our third one will be epsilon is equal to ax plus 3. So just isolated epsilon each one. This is our third function. So, and what does he want? He wants the value of a. And what did he give us? Well, he said that these three functions over here, they all intersect in the same point. Okay? So now I'm going to work with the information that he gave us. So if you want to try to solve it, pause the video and try it now, okay? You really should try to solve it. All you need to do is that by knowing that all of them intersect in the same point, you need to find the value of a. But if you couldn't, so now let's try to solve it together, okay? So by taking the first equation, this one and this one, we have epsilon is equal to this and epsilon is equal to that. So minus x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 2. Alright? So I as epsilon was equal to this part and epsilon was equal to that part, I could do this. Okay? So now over here, wait a second. So I'm going to work with this one now, okay? This minus x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 2. So by putting 2 in the other side, we will have that minus x, what was it? Minus x plus 1, okay. Minus x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4, okay? So this is what I did over here. Look, I took the minus x plus 1 and the 2 went to the other side, 2x plus 4, okay? So let's go back. So 3x, by isolating x, 3x is equal to 3. Not 3. Is equal to minus 3, okay? This x went to the other side over there, and the 4 went over there as a negative 4, okay? So x is equal to minus 1, okay? So we found the what does this x mean? This is the x that where was it? That 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 these intersect, this line over here and that line over there intersect. Okay, the epsilon equals x plus 2. In what x does they intersect? In this line. So just, if you had like this one, I don't remember what was the line, but like we had two lines, right? So we found the x where they intersect, and this is its value. So now we're going to find the epsilon where they intersected. Okay, so remember, we had that epsilon is equal to x plus 2. This was our epsilon. Epsilon is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so over here, well, we know that epsilon is equal to x plus 2, but x is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 plus 2. So our epsilon is equal to 1. Now let me go to a new paper. So we have the intersection point. They intersect when epsilon is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is where they intersect in the value in epsilon and x. So, and what was the line that we wanted to work with? It is, I don't know why I can't write in this one, but epsilon is equal to ax plus 3. Okay, but look, this is the third equation that I'm talking about now. Okay, epsilon is equal to ax plus 3, and we already found the value of epsilon and x that they intersect. So we found the epsilon and x, and we want the value of 3. Let me just note it here. Epsilon is equal to ax plus 3, so that I don't forget. And now let's go to the new sheet of paper. So epsilon is equal to ax plus 3. But remember, this line also intersect with these points over here that we found. So 1 is equal to minus a. Why minus a? Because x is minus 1 plus 3. So minus a goes to the other side. A is equals to 2. Okay, so this is the answer.